Mystery solved. The rocks, I found them. And guess where these rocks are from? A graveyard. Creepy creep. Creepy creep. Creepy creep. So that guy that had the fence that I wanted to play with had got the stones from right here. Oh my gosh. I wonder if these are free. I want some. Wow. Didn't think I'd be in a graveyard on a Sunday morning looking at rocks that I want to steal. Yeah, random shit just happens to me like this. Let's see if I hear any dead people when I walk through the graveyard. Because that happens too to me sometimes. Especially when I have cannabis. Ooh, this is a very fresh grave. It's kind of sinking. Actually, this is probably safer to walk around in here than it is on a country road in the middle of nowhere. So these people died in 1880 and 1963. So this is some old shit. So they died in 1903 and 1960. And I was born in 1968, so yeah. But maybe that was me in my previous life. Because, yeah, I believe in reincarnation, too. Oh, it is next door. Some kind of... Oh. So guess what's next door? A brand new fire department. Confirmation sneezes, 2 of them. Oh, this looks pretty. Oh, somebody broke it though. The precious mother from is gone. Her voice we loved is stilled. A place is vacant in our home that never can be filled. Aw, how sad. Look at how old this is. I'm just looking for a date. Yeah. Oh, look at all these flowers. Oh my gosh. So, like, this is really old. So what do you do with graveyards?